In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward messages in Slack Workspace. Forwarding is a quick way to move a specific message from one conversation to another without copying and pasting. It keeps the original text intact and makes it clear where it came from, which helps preserve context when you need a teammate or a different channel to see something important. It's cleaner than pasting screenshots, and it preserves links, formatting, and any attachments that are part of the original message. Start by opening Slack and going to the channel or conversation that contains the message you want to share. Find the exact message you have in mind. If it's part of a thread, make sure you're looking at the specific line you want to forward, not the entire thread preview. Hover your mouse over the message, then right-click anywhere within that area. This opens the Message Actions menu. From that menu, choose Forward. This option takes the original content and passes it along, preserving details so there's no retyping or risk of changing the wording. If you don't immediately see it in the first list of actions, look for it among the message shortcuts in the same menu. Once you select Forward, Slack prompts you to choose where it should go. Use the selector to pick a person or a channel. Type to search for a coworker's direct message, a group DM, or a channel you're already a member of. Take a second to confirm the destination, especially if your org has similarly named channels. It's a good habit to think about access and confidentiality. Only forward messages appropriate for the audience. After you choose the destination, Slack completes the forward and places the message in that conversation. You'll see it show up right away, typically with a note indicating it was forwarded, so everyone understands the origin. That's it. You've forwarded the message successfully. To recap, right-click the message you want, pick Forward, select the person or channel, and you're done. This small workflow saves time and keeps your workspace organized and transparent. Try it the next time you need to bring someone into the loop or highlight a key update in another channel.